Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Discord study servers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create Discord study server, you need to simply go to Discord. Once you go to Discord, to simply create a Discord study server, you need to tap on the plus icon. Once you have tapped on the plus icon, you need to simply type create my own or a study group template. You need to name your server, example course name, and customize your channel for subject, text, voice, and resources. So once you have done this, you can simply add your roles as well and bots like study bot for Pomodoro timers or like poll bots for scheduling to boost focus and organizations. So after you have done this, you will simply be able to create your own Discord study server. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.